Hello and welcome to Spokane Virtual Learning Online Spanish, second semester. By now, you should have your username and password to log into Blackboard. Once you log into Blackboard, you will come over here and read the announcements for the week. Every week I upload announcements on Monday so you can see what you have to do for the week. Every week you will have a weekly task. These are due by Monday night for full credit. After Wednesday, this folder will disappear. When you're done with your weekly task, you're to come over here to weekly task and submit your answers in the weekly task folder. Make sure you are submitting in the correct folder. Read through the announcements, watch the videos as I have put these in here to help you. Under assignments, you will see what I have laid out for you for the week. Now, you could work at your own pace during the week. You might do more on Monday than on Wednesday. Not a problem. I also added upcoming. Here is work that will be assigned for next week. So if you are ahead and would like to work ahead, the assignments are already here. Once you've read through the announcements and see what tasks you need to do, go over to coursework. By now, you should have completed the Bienvenidos a la Clase document. This is the contact information and appropriate use of online translator and dictionary. Please download this document if you haven't done so. And complete it. This needs to be signed at the bottom, which you will just type in your name and fill out the information. Once you have completed this, save it as a Word document. Contact info and save. I'm not gonna, yes. Alrighty. Once it's completed, you're going to come over here to submit assignments. You're going to go to the Bienvenido Welcome folder, click on the link, open it up, and browse your computer. Click on the file, open, and come over here and submit. And you should see that you have downloaded the correct assignment, and then hit OK. Once you've completed that, go back to coursework, and we are starting with Chapter 3 in Clase y Después for Spanish 1 students. For Spanish 2, you are Capítulo 3 in Train. Once you get in here, you will see all your tasks. Click on the first assignment and read through the directions. As you know, we use the eStudio book for practice. I don't think this is the, there's the vocab. So go over here to eStudio to the left, click on the link, and you will go to eStudio. And you're going to log in use your name and password. It's usually your first name, last name, and the number 102. In Spanish is your login. For Spanish 2 students, you're 655. Click on the link, and this will pop up. You're going to work from My Tools. Go to My Tools, click on the calendar. Once you're in the calendar, I have posted where to find each assignment. We are starting on February 16th for second semester. Once you find your vocab 1, you're going to click on each link and complete the activity. Go to the next one, complete it. Make sure you printed out the notes and the vocab though prior to doing this. Okay, once you're done with this and completed all your activities, all 7 of them, or there's 8 here, 7, go back to my calendar and you're going to screenshot this calendar right here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a Control D on my laptop. If you have a Mac, it's going to be different, and you're going to need to look this up on how to do a screenshot. Okay, once you've done your screenshot, you're going to open up a Word document. And you're going to do this for every assignment. And then I'm going to control, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Let's get back here. I thought I screenshotted this. Okay, control print screen. I don't know what I was thinking. And then control V. There we go. So here is the screenshot. I have 2 screens, so please ignore that. And you're going to save this as, excuse me, as vocab 1, or whatever you want to name it. It's up to you. Going to save, and then I'm going to get out of this, and I'm going to go over to my Submit Assignments, Chapter 3, Task 1, and I'm going to browse my computer, look for my document, open it, come over here to Submit, maybe, and there it is. Now, if you want to look at this to make sure you are submitting the correct assignment, go ahead and open it. If you've labeled it vocab 1 and you look up here and you see vocab 1, it's probably correct. And then hit OK, and it's submitted. Quizzes you will take right here in coursework or in Submit Assignments. So you're going to go back to coursework and you're going to go to the next task. So we've done Chapter 3. Now we're going to go to the next one where you go to Quizlet to review vocab. Task 4 is more eStudio. Oh, Task 3, excuse me, is the vocab 1 quiz. So don't forget to go back to Submit Assignments and take the vocab 1 quiz. Task 4 is right here, vocab 2. Task 5, AR verbs. Watch the videos. Click on the notes for additional practice. Click here. This, again, is for Spanish 1. Spanish 2, your coursework looks a little different because you're doing in train. Right here are some more practices, and you will work from here. You are going to have work in here that is not in eStudio, so please remember that. You're going to have to do some audio recordings and writing some sentences out, so that will be detailed in each slide, what you need to do. Okay, let's go back to Submit Assignments for one more practice on eStudio. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to do vocab 2. Go to eStudio again, and unfortunately you have to click on this link every time. So you're going to go to your calendar. You're going to go to the next eStudio activity, which is here. It's on February 23rd. I have posted this in announcements. Okay, you're going to do the activities. Once you're done, you're going to come back here and refresh if you need to get your scores. And there's a second way you could do this too. You can do, excuse me, the Word document, or you could do the snipping tool. It's up to you. Okay, you could just do the snipping tool, snip, save as. Okay, let's just say vocab 2. Okay, save. I think the snipping tool is quite easy. Go to vocab 2, browse my computer, vocab 2, open, and submit. And there you go. And then it shows up right there. And then you can hit OK and submit it. Okay, guys, if you have any questions on how to find the eStudio activities or any questions about your username, please contact me, or you can call me at 509-701-6102.